Yo, what the frick is up, guys? How you guys doing? Um, I've been I just started back testing. I took this amazing trade, so we're gonna do another back testing video. This was a very easy day. I'm gonna go over it right now. I'll set it up and I'll let you guys know. All right, so starting into the day. Actually, wait, give me 1 second. All right, so starting into this day, um, we see what gaps what gaps we're playing into. We're not in a daily gap. Um, 4 hour. Also, see we swept this liquidity down here, but we're not in any other gaps. Not oh shit, I think that just fucked up my thing. Oh no, it didn't. Not in a daily, not on the 4 hour. There's no gaps over here that price is turning up to. No gaps. This gap is only here to here, so not good. Anyways, all right, 4 hour. There is a 4 hour right here. That's pretty close. This is only like 80 points away. So that's good. No other gaps. We go down on the 1 hour. We have that 1 hour. We also have these stacked lows right here. We got low resistance liquidity. Um, so right now I'm just trying to find a bias. You know, so we got that 1 hour. We also got this 30-minute. So, and I mean price, if we look back at price, um, started right here. We come up like 400 points. So I'm more bullish during the day, or I'm more bullish here. Um, just because we've been going up 400 points, but also we haven't swept any liquidity yet. We're not in any major gap to send price lower. We're now trying to continue into a higher time frame gap, such as this 4 hour. There's no 1 hour. There's only that 4 hour. So I'm definitely more bullish. So I want to see price at the start of the session manipulate lower into some discounted gap to then go higher. Which is perfect because we have this 1 hour and we have this 30-minute right here. Um, we do have this 1 hour down here, but I mean, if price really wants to sell off 400 more points, um, then then we'll see if that happens based off of this. This right here, these two gaps are called our agreed upon DOL. Um, agreed upon DOL. Probably not how you spell it correctly, but this is our agreed upon DOL right here. Um, price, which means that price needs to tap into one of these two fair value gaps to then either send price higher. So market opens, taps, instant inversion, send price higher into this 4 hour, or market open, price taps, doesn't give an inverse or gives weak reaction, and then sweeps it again, and then it just kind of goes like this until it sweeps all this low resistance liquidity. Um, okay, so finally, so we have our bias. We just wait for a liquidity sweep and an IFEG. In this case scenario, it's not going to be a liquidity sweep. We're taking a continuation trade. So instead of a liquidity sweep, it'll be just tapping into this and then getting an instant inversion. 5 minute. We're in this little 5 minute, but we haven't tapped out of it at all. So yeah, let's just play out market open, see what happens. Ideally, I want price to manipulate lower instead of higher, but we'll see what happens. Okay, perfect. So price manipulates lower. As you can see, this is kind of like an AMD model right here, low time frame AMD model. So we're trying to catch the distribution. Ideally, this would have created a 1 minute fair value gap. I'm on the 1 minute chart right now, but this candle closes above. Bro, what the fuck is up with this dog, bro? Anyway, I can't go on the 30-second time frame, unfortunately. Sucks. So let's just pretend that there's a 30-second gap. Let's pretend there's a 30-second gap right here. Yeah, like right there. Okay. So we have the manipulation, or we have the accumulation, the manipulation. Now we're trying to find distribution. So we want to wait for price to tap into one of these gaps. Bang, taps into one. It gives good reaction right now. This one on the 1 minute inverses this 30-second gap. Now becomes a 30-second IFEG. So right now, easy, simple as that. I would take a long either to here. You can do a 1-to-1. I would put my stop loss at the wick. But this is a bad RR trade, so I'd always aim for a 1-to-1 no matter what. But in this case, I'm gonna do it all the way up to this 4-hour gap because I feel like that's exactly where we're going. In this case scenario, we manipulate lower, tap into a 1 hour, 30-minute high time frame value gap. It's not gonna just sweep this out and then go lower without tapping into this major for value gap. So we play price out and it taps TP fully, like top tick of doom. Like that was great. So just to go over one more time, we go on the higher time frame, 4-hour. There's no gaps on this leg. We go on the 1 hour. There's this 1 hour gap right here. 1 hour gap right here that gets tapped into. But it gets tapped into market open. So we get this 1 hour gap. We got this 1 hour gap down here, and we got this low resistance. This low resistance liquidity right here. We drop down on the 30-minute. 30-minute. There's a 30-minute right here. There's a 30-minute right here, obviously, but we're looking at this 30-minute because it's right next to market open. So this is going to be our agreed upon DOL. Price needs to tap into here before either expanding higher or going lower. The only high is right here, and this would be a liquidity sweep. This would be a liquidity sweep. Also, if you want to mark session highs and lows, we can also do that. So this would be Asia low, London low, London high. So really, 1 hour, 30-minute. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck? 30-minute, cool. Give us the resistance. We know that's the resistance. Go down the 5-minute, go down the 1 minute, and we just wait. We play out market open and manipulate slower. This is perfect. We want AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. How do we find the distribution part? We find it by the closest IFEG setup. There is no 2-minute. There's no 2-minute gap on this manipulation leg. There's no 3-minute gap, of course. There's no 1-minute gap, unfortunately. So we go down on the 30-second time frame. And there is a 30-second IFEG right here, and price plays out. It inverses the 30-second IFEG, and we take it along, and we take it all the way up to the 4-hour, which is the DOL, draw on liquidity. So yeah, this was a very, very pretty good setup. This was Thursday. So this was like a super easy day. This was great. This was an A+ day. It was an AMD. It was an AMD IFEG setup. This was absolutely perfect. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.